a functional manual therapist at Vardan. Today, let's discover the potential of visceral manipulation at Vardan. Visceral manipulation is a gentle, hands-on therapy that focuses on the internal organs known as the viscera. Through delicate manipulations, we address restrictions and imbalances in the organs, helping to enhance their function and promote better health. This therapy can alleviate a variety of issues, from digestive problems to chronic pain, by restoring the natural motion and harmony within your body. Visceral manipulation can lead to profound changes, improving organ function, circulation, and overall vitality. It's a holistic approach to health. Experience the transformative power of visceral manipulation at Vardan.